Okay, Bose, oh, there's on the manuals, they mean business. However, I mean, you can just basically plug it into your TV. And I've got a computer playing Netflix. I'll start in a moment, and it works. I'll show you with the remote. This is the audio calibration system. Manual to go through that. It's actually a headphone set that works with it. So Bose. Okay, and dog not included. Here's the subwoofer. Let's say they're wireless. It's obviously hard to see exactly when we're talking sound system, but you can actually, it's got some controls you can adjust with the bass, and you can actually feel it, so you know it works as soon as it's on. Okay, yep. All right.
Time ago now, that day when it all started.
So there's actually no sound coming out of the TV right now. It's all the Bose. Okay. Something that had a little bit of bass.
This case on the tip of Africa is known as the Cape of Storms.
Alright, you can get, this is how it is when you watch movies, say, you can feel the bass, it rumbles. This gives you a, richer, fuller sound as you're watching. Alright.